Good morning, class 10. My dear student, topic triangle is continuing. Exercise 6.3, question number 13. Dear student, question is, D is the point on the side BC of a triangle ABC. So there is a triangle ABC. D is the point on the side BC. Such that angle ADC equal to ADC. There is a point D. So angle ADC equal to angle BAC. This angle and this angle equal. So that CA square equal to CV into CB. Given that angle ADC equal to angle BAC, to prove CA square equal to CB into CD. Dear student, we will compare the triangle ADC and triangle BAC. See the proof? In triangle ADC and triangle BAC. Here angle ACB equal to angle ACB. It is common angle. And angle ADC equal to angle BAC is given in the question. Since these two angles are equal, therefore by double A similarity, by AA similarity, these triangles are similar. Triangle ADC similar to triangle BAC. Here angle D is similar to angle A and C is common, and angle this one B. Here angle this angle equal to this, means angle DAC is the third angle equal to ABC. Now compare the sides. Since triangles are similar, therefore sides are proportional. So let us take the angle opposite to the angle D. The side opposite to the angle D is AC upon, here the side opposite to the angle A is BC, is equal to the side opposite to the this angle. This is that it is 1, it is 2. So angle side opposite to the angle 1, it is DC, and the side opposite to the angle 2 is AC. Now cross multiply, we will get AC square equal to BC into DC. Hence 2. My dear student, next is question number 40. Question is, side AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the side PQ and PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. So that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Dear student, there are two triangles. One of the triangle is ABC, other is triangle PQR. Here, side AB is proportional to the side PQ and AC proportional to PR and median AD is proportional to the median PM. Prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Here given that AB upon PQ equal to AC upon PR equal to AD upon PM. To prove triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Proof. Dear student, we will make a construction. Draw a line parallel to AC from B and produce the side AD. Let they meet at the point E. Similarly, we will reduce the median PN and draw a line through Q parallel to PR and it meet at the point, suppose S. Now, this angle, these two sides are parallel, therefore these angles are alternate. Similarly, this angle equal to this, these are alternate, and PS is the transversal, here AE is the transversal. Now, this angle, this will be the angle Q. Here this is the angle Q. So, if we talk about this angle, so here, this angle are also, this is the C, it is also C, it is B. Here it is the R, this angle is R, so it is R, it is Q. Since this angle is B plus C, this angle is Q plus R, and here AD upon PQ, in proof we will write reduce median AD to the point E and draw a line BE parallel to AC. Similarly, reduce median PN to PS and draw a line QS parallel to R. Dear students, since AB upon PQ equal to AC upon PR, so AC can be replaced by DE and PR can be replaced by QS. And if we multiply AD by 2, this is by 2, then twice of AD becomes AE because it is a part of a parallelogram. And here AE is the diagonal, D is the midpoint. So it is the A is the diagonal, it is the point of intersection of two triangles, like that. BC is one of the diagonal, another diagonal is AE, and the diagonal of a parallelogram bisect to each other. Similarly, it is ES. It is AB upon PQ. This implies that triangle ABE similar to triangle AP PQS. This implies that triangle ABE equal to angle PQS. This is angle B plus angle C. This is angle Q plus angle R. We can write it. It is 180 minus angle A equal to 180 minus angle A equal to 180 minus angle B. From this we will get angle A equal to angle P. 180 cancel. Since AB upon PQ equal to AC upon PR and angle A